This is the second video where I will be showing you this amazing app called PowerToys. On the first video, I talked about some tools. On this video, I'm gonna talk about another one under the section of windowing and layouts. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. But first, I'm gonna leave you here the first video in case you didn't watch it. So let's begin with the second one. So we got PowerToys right here, and as you can see, I showed you on the first video like the interface. On this one, we're gonna be reviewing windowing and layouts, and the first tool we're gonna review is gonna be always on tab. So let's click on it. Like right here, you got the shortcut, which is Windows Ctrl T. So let's press it, and the window that you select is gonna stay always on top no matter what you click. If you click this one, even though if you open another window, it's gonna stay always on top. And the most interesting part is that you can do it transparent by pressing Windows Control and minus, and it's gonna be transparent, and then Windows Control and equal, and it's gonna get it back to normal. So this is a really interesting tool. So let's go to the second one. So the second tool we're gonna review is really interesting because you can save a lot of applications that you use at once when you're doing work or like doing something on your computer, and it's gonna open all of them. So let's see how it works. This tool is called Workspaces. So basically it's activated by pressing Windows, Control and apostrophe. And then you can create a workspace right here. And then to capture it, it's gonna have all the apps that I have open. So I capture it, and it's gonna give me that I have OBS, which I'm using to record, settings on PowerToys, and this window right here. So let's save it. So let's launch it, and it's gonna appear all the windows again. So these are the two tools that I got for windowing and layout. Wait for the third video and I will be showing you the next tools. So I hope you like the video, and if you like, so subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.